In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import from Excel to Yahoo Contacts. By the end, you'll have your contacts from a spreadsheet safely added to your Yahoo Mail address book. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. When the Yahoo homepage loads, look toward the upper right corner and find the sign in option. Click sign in to proceed. If you already see an option to continue with an existing Yahoo Mail account you're signed into on the device, choose that. Otherwise, enter your Yahoo email and your password to log in. Follow any on-screen prompts such as verification codes and give it a moment to complete the sign-in process. Once you're signed in, you'll return to Yahoo's homepage. Next, open Yahoo Mail. You can do this by selecting the Mail option near the top right area of the screen. This takes you into your inbox. Inside Yahoo Mail, we're going straight to Contacts. Look for the Contacts section or icon and click it to open your address book. In the Contacts view, find the three-dot More Options menu. Click that to reveal the import tools. Choose Import from CSV file. You'll see a note about the size limit up to 5 MB, which is helpful if you have a large list. Before you browse for your file, a quick tip. Yahoo imports CSV files, so if your contacts are currently in an Excel workbook, save a copy as a CSV. In Excel, you can use Save As and choose CSV as the format. Keep your columns simple, like first name, last name, and email, to reduce mapping issues. If your list includes headers, keep them in the first row. Now click to browse your computer, locate your CSV, and select it. Double check that you picked the right file, then confirm. When you're ready, click Import. Yahoo will begin processing the file and adding the contacts to your address book. This may take a moment depending on the size of your list. When the import completes, you should see your new contacts appear in the contacts list. If any entries couldn't be added, Yahoo may display a message explaining why. Often it's a missing email address or a formatting issue. If needed, adjust your CSV and re-import. Also, if you had duplicates, Yahoo may attempt to merge similar entries, but it's a good idea to scan the list and tidy up anything that looks off. That's it. You opened Yahoo, signed in, navigated to contacts, and imported your Excel data via CSV. Quick, clean, and done. If this was helpful, follow the same process anytime you update your spreadsheet and want to refresh your Yahoo contacts.